In this video, we will illustrate the RUPES UHS system, composed of the pad, compound, and Bigfoot random orbital polisher. UHS stands for Ultra High Solid and characterizes the most common paints used today, that also have a low environmental impact. These paints are very hard, and for this reason, RUPES has produced specific consumables such as this hard pad and compound formula. The UHS system is efficient as a one-step process because it is able to cut and remove medium-light defects. The first step is priming the pad. You prepare the pad by applying 4 drops of compound on a dry pad and by working on the surface for 10 seconds without moving the polisher. Priming is performed in order for the pad to reach the correct temperature and hardness, and also to spread the compound around the pad. The pad is now covered with compound and has reached the right hardness. Use a microfiber towel to remove any leftover compound. You then apply 2 drops on the pad and begin polishing. When polishing with a random orbital polisher, you need to move slowly and apply a little bit of pressure on the head of the tool and perform 3 steps from right to left and 3 steps from the top to the bottom. At the end of these steps, you need to remove the remaining compound with a microfiber towel in a linear movement. With a RUPES pen light, you can check your result. If you are satisfied with the result, you can move on to the following section. If you are not satisfied, you can proceed with a second step to remove the remaining defects.